Guys, ready na ba kayo for your real estate journey this 2026 #home goals? I'm Agent J from M4 Real Estate Corporation. So yung mga kabahay, yung nasa likod ko po, ito po yung unit model for viewing here in Anilo Park Residences, Havila, Antipolo. It's opal model, duplex. Ang floor area is around 53 square meter and yung typical lot cut naman here in Anilo Park is from 52 square meter up to 96 square meter for house and lot package. So tara, puntahan natin yung loob ng aming house model for viewing. So yung mga kabahay, nasa loob na tayo. So pagpasok, ito po yung living area natin. Ito naman po yung dining and simple kitchen. Meron tayong 1 CR or 1 toilet and bath sa baba. And yung pinto na to goes to our service area sa labas. And sa second floor, meron po tayong 3 BR or provision for 3 BR. And 1 CR sa taas. So tara, puntahan natin. So yan mga kabahay, nakita nyo na yung aming unit model for viewing here in Anilo Park Residences. Puntahan naman natin ngayon yung aming mga available units na near RFO na in Phase 1B and yung RFO units naman located in Phase 1A. And first stop is located in Block 6. So ito po yun. So corner lot, ang lot area nito is around 127 square meter. Yung house po is duplex. Ang floor area is 53 square meter. And next na available, mga kabahay, is located in Phase 1B, Anilo Park Residences, Block 1. So tara, puntahan natin. So yung available mga kabahay is 3 units na near RFO na, located in Block 1. Lot 9, Lot 8, and Lot 7. So 3 units po ang available here in Phase 1B ng Anilo Park Residences. So yan mga kabahay, I just show you yung mga available here in Anilo Park Residences Phase 1A and Phase 1B and yung aming model unit na rin. So if you're interested, pre-selling and RFO house and lot here in Anilo Park Residences in Havila, Antipolo, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. I'm Agent J from M4 Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Pilinvestland.